start again. It's a rich thing.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your soul, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. You're shit out of your luck. Don't make me tell you again. Love, love, love.
Guys, I don't know why I always like to just arrange my hair whenever I'm talking to you guys, but anyways guys, welcome to today's video. How have you guys been? How is the week pulling up, you guys? So today is a Tuesday morning, and guys, I am about to go to work, but I just decided to come here and start this vlog. In one of my vlogs where I told you guys that we have like an exchange gift where you guys saw me dancing and twerking on Sunday is actually the day, that is the 21st of February. So we are going to be doing the exchange gifts on that Sunday, and I decided to just take you guys along this journey. So today I'm literally going to get a gift for the person I picked. Guys, this is a surprise thing. Okay, she doesn't know I picked her. I don't even know who picked my name. Guys, actually we did a selection in January so that you have enough time to study that person, what the person likes, her fashion style, yeah, all that good stuff. And the person I choose this year, I picked this year, is a married woman. Guys, I have never been so confused all my life to get a gift for this particular girl because she's married. If it was a single girl, I'll be like, okay, I just get her some shoes, some handbag. But guys, I don't know what married women need. Like, what can you offer to a married woman as a gift? Today I'm going to go to Mbopi market. It's one of the largest and the cheapest market in Douala. They sell everything basic, like they sell and grow, like they sell in wholesale. I have a budget, guys. My budget is 15,000 francs. So normally, from what we discussed, you have to get somebody something not less than 10,000 francs. Guys, I'm confused. I don't have any idea. Anything I see, guys, I'll just buy. It could be a wig, it could be a handbag, it could be maybe some kitchen utensils. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hopefully they don't get to steal my phone because it's kind of risky. I have to take off these braids. This hair is almost a month and 2 weeks old, so this is the third week, so I have to take it off. So during my break time I'll go to the market and get the stuff, then I'm going to show you guys later. So come with me to the market and let's do this. Guys, while at the market, I had already figured out what to get for my valley, and I realized that okay, it's a girl who loves wigs a lot. Like, she changes wigs here and there, and guys, I've never seen her with braided wigs. So in my mind, like, okay, this is going to be the perfect gift for my girl. So I'm going straight up to get her a beautiful wig. So here it is, guys.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. Guys, today is Wednesday and it is 6:30 a.m. right now, so I'm about to leave the house as usual for work. So guys, today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me with some of my dance crew members. Guys, we're actually going to visit a market where we can pick up our outfits for that day. So guys, I decided to just come here and tell you guys what is going to be happening today, and we're going to be visiting Carrefour and Atoll, Marseille Central and Marché des Femmes, just to look for something. And what we'll be going out for today is to look for a jogging, just a black joggings, and yeah, we're going to be pairing that up with white t-shirts. So I'm going to take you guys along with me today. So, and that will be during my lunch break, okay, because I have 2 hours. Yes guys, continue this journey with me, so let's go.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hey guys, good afternoon. It's break time, Sha. I'm leaving the office now for Carrefour and Atoll, where I'm meeting my other dance crew members for our outfit search. So guys, wish me luck. right.
Much later.
Hey guys, I am back home and dinner is served. So here I have some chopped pineapple. I have my indomie noodles here. I decided to add some vegetable carrots there, and this is our bad girl right here, guys. This pork meat is so delicious. Okay, then I have water here as well, a glass of water. It's obviously I'm going to have more. So here in this pork meat I have some onions, pepper, and yeah, so I'm just going to eat like this in just 4 paper. So guys, this is dinner for today. I know this looks a lot, guys. I did not have lunch today, so I am extremely hungry. And while eating, I'll be watching some new uploads videos, or just turn to my favorite channel on the TV, and there they go. So bon appetit to moi.
Several days later.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and it's a D-Day. It's a D-Day, guys. So I am on my way to help out to cook. So on days like this, normally we have to cook something. I have to eat. So I am going to help out in the cooking, and I'm going to be cooking fried rice. So I'm in the fried rice department. So I'm actually close to her house. This is Koto Block, Johannesburg. We have a South African cafe in my country. And after that, I have my gifts in my bag, which I am just going to move over to the market and do the parceling, because guys, this event starts at 1 o'clock and I don't want to pay fine. I have to come back home, do my makeup, dress, and start heading to Lopom. The venue is at Lopom. So yeah guys, okay, that is the house. Let me just show you guys the house. Guys, that is the building. She said GCK. So here is the gate. I think I'm gonna have to call her to come get me from this point. Guys, I'm vlogging and somebody's just staring at me.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the
Much later.
Guys, I done with my own work, so I'm just leaving the house now. I am going out to the market to parcel my gifts, so let's go.
I love the way you kiss me every night. I love the way you touch me, pull me right. But every day you keep on telling me that I should go, but I'd rather stay with you. I need to hold you, need to touch you right. I miss the way we were before. And everybody knows. And everybody knows you feel, and everybody sees. You keep on running away. And everybody everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel, and everybody sees you keep on hiding, running away, and everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel the same way as I do for me. I love the way you kiss me every night. I love the way you touch me.
Alright guys, so we decided to invite the CEO of Tesho, and she goes by the name Dr. Fon Elizabeth. And yeah guys, we decided to invite her over to grace us with some words of wisdom about marital issues, relationships, because she is a marriage counselor. And guys, we didn't want to just come here and just enjoy without going back with a lot of knowledge.
Everybody knows you the same way as I do for me.
What I do, that's what I do, what I do, that's what I do, that's what I do.
You just like
What I do, what I do, that's what
Let all nations bow to him. Let all nations give him the praise. Jesus Christ is King. He's seated on high above. Let all nations.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Hey guys, hi, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing so well. Anyway guys, so after editing this vlog, I'm about to export it and I'm like, oh my god, I have not ended it. I have not even shown you guys the gift I received from my valley, and I've not even updated you guys about my hair, and I'm like, this is not good. I need to come over here and do the necessities and just end the vlog. So before I do, guys, this is my new hair. Okay. The next thing I'm going to show you guys are the beautiful gifts I received from my valley. Guys, this is everything I received from her. Guys, when I opened my parcel, I was like, oh my god, like she went this extra mile to do this. Like, so guys, this is what I received from her. Can you guys see my face? Oh my god, like just take a look at this. And it came with a saucer, and the saucer just, oh my god, guys, she actually went to my video and took this picture. This picture is a thumbnail from a video I did, like a video I uploaded, and I'm so excited. You guys, just look at this, man. This is so beautiful. Next thing I received from her is this eyeshadow palette, guys. Just look at how it looks like, and it has some really pretty eyeshadows here, some nudes, some shimmers, and it is called the Rude Awakening palette. It's a 35 eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. Let me just go ahead and open it for you guys to see how this palette looks like. Or anyways, I am going to create a makeup look for this palette, so you guys are going to see every detail on this palette. Okay, so let me not just review everything here right now, but I am so excited. Thank you girls so much for this. First thing I got is a bag of bed sheets. Okay, this is a pack, and she specifically took this pack because it has this America flag on it, and she was like, I watched your video and you said you want to go to America, so she's bringing America to my house. And guys, I see how my dreams to travel out. Okay, America, here I come. God is going to answer my prayer this year. I don't know how he's going to do, but I know that my prayer has been answered. So yeah, I got this. So it's a very pretty bed sheet. Let me see if I can open it for you guys to see. So guys, this is how the bed sheet looks like. Oh my god, and it's a double bed sheet with 2 pillowcases, so it's just everything. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please do well to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe down here. If you please subscribe down here. It is very free. Please guys, when you watch my videos, please do not skip the ads. Okay, please do not skip the ads. This is how I raise money. This is how YouTube pay also. Please, when you watch, please don't skip the ads. Okay, watch till the end. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.